But for us, it really fits our data philosophy. And our data philosophy is more the managed self-service BI. And with self-service BI, I mean that we, as a BI team, we provide data sets to our business users. And our business users, they can log into Tableau server and they can interact with these data sets. But a lot of these datasets are now documented, so people can find documentation how to work with the datasets on interaction tools like Confluence. I don't know if you guys make use of Confluence as well. But it's really easy for us to explain how to navigate through the dashboard, how to use it, and how not to use it. And what we also do is we identify power users in each department. Some users are more advanced in working with data than others. Some users are really not meant to be working with data because they can hardly find the sum function in Excel. So what we do is we look at each department and we try to identify who can already do some data analysis themselves. So who is more familiar with working with pivot tables, for instance. And those people we actually started training and giving some examples in Tableau Desktop, and we let them bit by bit build their own dashboards. We also did some training in how to work with data, because you can make a beautiful dashboard, but if you don't know what you're making and what the goal is, then it doesn't really help. Let's say you're still not able to create a good dashboard. So one thing we did is we organized Think Data sessions. So we went through the organization. Every month we organized a similar session like this, where we basically talked about a particular topic. And one of these topics was how to work with Z-scores. I don't know if you guys know what a Z-score is, but it's an easy way of like looking at data and comparing data. I think our power users now, they are able to answer 90% of the questions they have in their organization. They are normally also the people who have the most domain knowledge, and they are also able to answer most of these questions if they have access to the data, to the right data. We as a team, as a BI team, we have knowledge about the tools, and we can work really well with data, and we can do the data modeling and do a lot of complex statistical analysis. But sometimes we lack the domain knowledge, and sometimes you need both to really answer the right questions. So normally, let's say the majority of the work actually that's being is not being done by us as a BI team, but by our power users.